Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks practice model tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design this machine parts. You can see in your screen, this is the model that we are going to design in this video. Let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for the OK. You can see here the default unit is millimeter gram second, so let's keep it like this because my requirement is also millimeter. So let's select here top plane and go for the sketch. I'll start my sketch with the circle, so select circle and draw here two concentric circles. Like this. Let me create two more concentric circles here. Now go for the dimensions and give the outer dimension for the outer circle, which is dia 60. For this circle, I'll be giving here for this circle, which is dia 30. For this circle, dia 42. For this circle, dia 20, and from here to here having the horizontal distance which is 105. This is 105. You can see still it's not getting fully defined, so I need to give here one relation, this and this having the relation horizontal. Just go with the OK. Go for the 3-point arc, select here 3-point arc. So start from here like this and like this. In the same way you can start from here to here and just draw it like this. First you need to go for the relation here, click on this and this, give the relation here tangent. In the same way you should give the relation to this side tangent, and I'll be giving here also this and this, give the relation here tangent. Similarly here also. Now we go for the dimension, give the radius of this arc which is 115 and this is 60. Now you need to go for the command here called offset and just uncheck the selection options and give the value here 8 and select this. Once again click on the offset and just reverse it and just go with the OK. Now go for the trim command and just trim this portion and this portion, this portion and this portion. Now you can see here my sketch is getting ready, so come out from the sketch. So I'll go for the command here extruded boss base. Here I will use the selection contour. I will choose this and this. Here I will choose mid plane and go for the extruded thickness which is 20. Just like this, go with the OK. Once again you go inside and make the sketch visible and just click on the extruded boss base from drop down menu, select the sketch and choose this and this. From here you need to choose mid plane and give the extruded thickness which is 10 and just go with the OK. Now if you want you can hide the sketch. Now you need to go for the command here called fillet and you need to give the fillet to this edge having the fillet radius which is 8. So I'll just define the fillet radius value first. I will define the fillet for this edge in the same way I will define the value for this edge and this edge. Just go with the OK. Now I'll just do here one operation. Click on this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll just do here convert entities, the sketch. Click on this, go for the convert entities. Just take a line from here and make a sketch which is like this. Convert this into construction geometry, and I will just go with the dimension here from here to this, having the value of 33. So I'll be giving the value which is 33. In the similar way, I'll be giving your value which is 8. Now go for the mirror command here. Just select this line and this line, just mirror about this. Just go with the OK. So click on the trim here. Now you can see your sketch is getting ready and as well as closed. Come out from the sketch, go for the extruded cut, and now you can see here it's getting extruded cut, but I need to choose here up to next and just go with the OK. Now we need to go for the command here called fillet. So click on the fillet. Here I will choose this edge. So I'll select this edge. I'll select this edge. I'll select this edge. I'll select this edge. I'll select this edge and this too also. The radius value is given here which is 2 mm. Just define the radius value and just go with the OK. So guys, you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.